Hi guys, what you see here is a Nikko Porsche 935 flat nose. This is a car from 1987, so it's quite old, and it's been sitting on a shelf for many years. And I recently decided to check why it wasn't driving. It turned out the electronics, the original electronics, were fried, and so I took those out and I replaced it all with modern electronics, which was a bit of a hassle because, well, check for yourself. The original electronics was a big circuit board here, full of big electronic components, really big electronic components, and I had to take that off. And I replaced it with a 40 megahertz receiver and a modern-ish, well, modern for this car, electronic speed controller. And then I got to the front, and there I found an electric motor here, which took care of the steering, and that was connected to all sorts of components, and that was really dodgy, so I took it all out. I made a hole here for a steering linkage, and I installed a normal servo here, and yeah, now it's steering like a normal car. So this is, by the way, a 380 motor, and it has a low and high gearing, and that was done manually, as you can see here, high and low. Back in 1987 that was done manually. It also has a differential and some sort of suspension at the rear, which is not much, but some sort of suspension there. On the front it has no suspension whatsoever. The electronics box is very big, because there were they needed those big, what were they, D cells? Yes, I believe six of them, and a separate 9-volt block battery behind it that took care of the speed control and the steering, and those big D cells took care of the power for the electric motor here. So okay, I restored it, and I'm gonna take it outside and see if it goes. Don't you just love those very authentic looking BBS wheels and matching Dunlop tires, Dunlop racing tires. So yeah, that's the flat nose. I'm gonna put it together and see if I can film some decent footage of it. If you want to see it go, there's the link. Just click on there and you'll see this car run. Thanks for watching, guys.